Okay guys, so I just done a bit of a run just to do a bit of a test to see how I'm going to go. As you can see, it's not real warm as I was expecting it to be today, but there's a few thunderstorms about, so might have picked the right option and go and do some high banking. Might have been too much storms about. So I haven't dug much, sort of just taking the tops off that bit there, just down along the top of the bedrock. I'll just bring you down into the box. As you see, there's a nice flake sitting in there already. I just thought I'd do a quick check to see how it's going. Yeah, it's a nice bit in there. So I've got the detector with me, so later on I'll run it all. I'll flatten the tailings off and do a run over that and see whether there's any species in it. See, there's a lot of quartz and ironstone here. So yeah, I'll get this washed up in the pan and we'll check it out and see what we've got. Back in a sec. Alright. So not too bad, plus that flake that I had before. I've put that in the snuffer bottle already, but yeah, that's not bad for that little bit of ground that I've just worked just in here. So yeah, just taking the top off, just this bit in here. So just scratching off the top of the bedrock. So yeah, I think I'll put this in the snuffer bottle and have a quick drink and get back into it. Cheers guys. Alright, so I just done the second run and have a little lead shot in there. A little bit of gold. Yeah, a lot of lead shot. Probably 20, 25 lead shot there in that pan. So yeah, a little bit more gold, so it's good. I'll keep going.